Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make or convert any video into cartoon videos. So like this you will see that this video is converted. So now if you want to convert any videos like this, so what you have to do, first of all you have to go into your Google Chrome, and here you have to search lab AI lab. Okay, click on it. So when you click on it, you will see an option Wondershare AI lab option. Just click on it, a Wondershare AI lab option here, and for a few seconds, wait for a few seconds. Okay, so here you will see explore more option. Just click on this explore more option, wait for to load, and just click on explore more option here and wait for a few seconds. My internet is slow, so you have to wait for a few seconds here, and you have to first off login. You will get a login option, and so you can log in with your Google account. After logging, you will see like this interface. Now you have to click on this video option. As you want to generate convert a video into cartoon video, you can just click on this. Okay, so after that you will see first video cartoonizer option. Just click on it, and here you will see it will start loading. You have to cancel it, and here you will see local file option. Click on this local file, and here you will see photo library option or your in your gallery options. Okay, so just choose one video like this and click on choose. So it will start loading here, so it will take few seconds to load here, and after that you will get here processing will be started here, and after that you can download the video. Okay, for few seconds and you can download the video. So like this you can convert any video into cartoon video. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more anime tips. Okay, thank you for watching.